Hi, I'm Shilpa and I'm co-founder and CEO of 3D Measure Up.
Hello, I am Rajesh and I am co-founder and CTO of 3D Measure Up.
Have you heard the story of a sweet girl named Vishnu from Nepal? A severe infection led to weakening and shortening of her right leg. For years, she endured tremendous mental and physical pain as she struggled to access an orthosis with a right fit. Until one day, when she found a skilled professional who made the right socket for her. This transformed her life completely. She now has a job, she dances with her friends, and is living life to the fullest.
But not all these stories have such a happy ending. According to WHO, there are 35 to 40 million people who need orthosis or prosthesis, and out of that, only 10 to 15% have access to it. With aging population and lifestyle diseases such as diabetes, these numbers are exploding. Can we not leverage modern technological advances to help them live life of dignity?
Of course, we can. All we need to do is make the process of creating orthotics and prosthetics simpler, faster, accurate, and affordable. And that's exactly what we have done at 3D Measure Up. We take photos or scans of patients and very quickly and accurately compute all the measurements required to manufacture a perfect fitting brace. Isn't this cool?
Indeed, and everything is done remotely, and the perfect fitting brace, is shipped at the doorstep. Jaipur food brought smiles to millions of faces. Uh, like I know the dancers like Sudha Chandran, they were able to dance despite of losing leg.
Right.
Let's take that revolution to the next level.
Of course, for an orthotist, 3D measure up is what ECG is for cardiologists. 3D measure up is what an X-ray is for radiologist. Let's give legs to the disabled.
So that they can walk, run, and fly. Thank you.
Thank you.